Hey everybody, look, first off, pastel, Brazilian snack, beach, beer, cachaça, caipirinha, that's all you need. Thalita, what is this one full of?
Pastel com
Yeah.
recheio de camarão com queijo.
Yeah, and what's in it in English?
Prawns with cheese.
Yes. So look, you can see inside, it's stuffed. Rip it open. It's a little snack for the bar, for the beach, whatever you want. I know you're just watching me eat, but to be honest with you, that's what it's all about, is having a pastel in Brazil on the beach. Amazing snack with a caipirinha full of lime. Now the ice is melting because it's so hot here anyway, but this is just amazing. So these are just simple little snacks. Plus I'm with the wife who's holding the camera and she's drinking a pineapple. So I showed him the pineapple.
Should be like that.
Nice. I like it. So we need to get some more cocktails. I need some fresh ice, and that is the pastels right here. So on the beach, cool. Love you all. Stay tuned for the next one. We're going to be trying some different stuff. So love you all.